Good morning, 10th class student. Let us continue with our chapter Nationalism in India. Is that clear? Okay, we are going to start. I am just repeating the last line. Kindly pay attention till where we had done. That is, before 1920, Mahatma Gandhi organized satyagraha in various places. First point, that is in 1916 in Champaran, Bihar, for the peasant against the oppressive plantation system. Second, in 1917, he organized Satyagraha to support the peasants of the Kheda district of Gujarat affected by crop failure and plague epidemic. In 1918, Mahatma Gandhi Okay. Um, Before 1920, Mahatma Gandhi organized Satyagraha in various places. 1916 in Champaran, Bihar, for the peasants against the oppressive plantation workers. In 1917, he organized Satyagraha to support the peasants of Kheda district of Gujarat affected by crop failure and plague epidemic. In 1918, Mahatma Gandhi organized Satyagraha movement in Ahmedabad for the cotton mill workers. This was your last line. Now we start the next topic, that is the Rowlatt Act 1919. In bracket right over there, 1919. Rowlatt Act 1919. First point. In 1919, Gandhiji decided to launch. In 1919, Gandhiji decided to launch a nationwide satyagraha against the proposed proposed Rowlatt Act. Underline this, Rowlatt Act passed by Imperial Legislative Council. Passed by Imperial Legislative Council. Full stop. Next point. It gave the government enormous powers to repress political activities and arrest any person without trial for 2 years. Without trial for 2 years. Full stop. Next point. Rowlatt Satyagraha started with a hartal HARTAL on 6th April. On 6th April, full stop, same point. Rallies were organized. Workers went on strike, shops closed down, again, lines of communication and railways were disrupted, RUPTED. Next point. The British repressed the nationalist. And banned the entry of Mahatma Gandhi of Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders to Delhi. To Delhi. Full stop. On 10th April, the police in Amritsar fired upon a peaceful procession provoking attacks on banks, post offices and railway stations. Full stop. Next point, martial law, MARTIAL, martial law was imposed and General Dyer took command, DYER. General Dyer took command. Next point, on 13th April, the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place. The Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place. Full stop. Dyer blocked the exit points. And open fired on the crowd. Put a dash, killing hundreds. Full stop. Next point, he declared that his aim was to produce a moral effect. After to, put a single quotation marks, that is, produce a moral effect should be coming in quotation marks. His aim was to produce a moral effect, quotation marks close. To create in the minds of satyagrahis a feeling of terror and awe, AWE. Feeling of terror and awe also under single quotation marks. After awe, single quotation marks should be closed down. Next point, news of Jallianwala Bagh. The news of Jallianwala Bagh led crowds on the streets. Strikes took place, clashes with the government, and attacks on government building were done. Full stop. Next point, government responded with brutal repression. Humiliated and terrorized people. Satyagrahis were forced to rub their noses on the ground. comma, crawl on the street, crawl on the street, and do salam, do salam. In bracket you may write salute to all sahibs, to all sahibs, full stop. Seeing, SEEing, seeing violence spread, seeing violence spread, Mahatma Gandhi called off the movement, called off the movement. Subheading right over there, impact. First point, Rowlatt Satyagraha, though widespread, comma, was still limited mostly to cities and towns, full stop. Mahatma Gandhi decided to launch a more broad-based movement. Mahatma Gandhi decided to launch a more broad-based movement by uniting the Hindus and Muslims. Full stop. Next point. The First World War ended. The First World War ended with the defeat of Ottoman Turkey. With the defeat of Ottoman Turkey and the spiritual head of the Islamic world, put a dash, the Khalifa. Underline this word, Khalifa. Put apostrophe S. Khalifa's post was abolished. Khalifa's post was abolished. Full stop. Next point. A Khilafat committee was formed. A Khilafat committee was formed in Bombay for its support. A Khilafat committee was formed in Bombay for its support. Full stop. Same point. Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Shaukat. Shaukat Ali. All these names are given in the book also. Children, please keep the books in front of you all while writing so that you don't make any mistakes. Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali discussed with Mahatma Gandhi about united mass action. United mass action on the issue. Full stop. Next point. Gandhiji saw this as an opportunity. To bring Muslims under a unified national movement. Full stop. Same point. September 1920. September 1920, put a dash, at Calcutta. It was decided to start a non-cooperation Khilafat movement, for Swaraj. Next heading, why non-cooperation? Why non-cooperation? Put a question mark. First point, in Hind Swaraj, write Hind Swaraj in capital letter. Hind Swaraj, in bracket write 1909. Mahatma Gandhi declared that British rule was established. And survived in India. With the cooperation of Indians. Full stop. If Indians refused to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse. Within a year, and Swaraj would come. This is your first point. Second point, non-cooperation movement unfolded in stages. Put a dash. Began with the surrender of titles and awards, boycott of civil services, army, police, courts, legislative councils, schools and foreign goods. Full stop. Next point, Mahatma Gandhi and Shaukat Ali. Mobilized popular support for the movement. Full stop. But within the Congress, same point, leaders were reluctant to boycott the council's elections. Scheduled for November 1920. Full stop. This gave rise to a conflict. This gave rise to a conflict within the Congress. Within the Congress. Full stop. Next point. Finally, at the Congress session at Nagpur, in December 1920, a compromise was worked out. And non-cooperation Khilafat movement was adopted. Non-cooperation Khilafat movement was adopted. Full stop. Then write a question which is there in your book also, over here only. How did the movement unfold? How did the movement unfold? Who participated in it? Who participated in it? Full stop. How did different social groups interpreted the idea of non-cooperation? Interpreted the idea of non-cooperation. Next, part 2, write over there differing strands. DIFFERING. Differing strands, STRANDS, within the movement. Within the movement. Full stop. The non-cooperation Khilafat movement began in January 1921. Full stop. Various social groups participated in it. Various social groups participated in it. Again, full stop. Now write the first heading. The movement in the towns. The movement in the towns. The movement in the towns. Put 2 colons and a dash. First point. Thousands of students left government-controlled schools. Headmaster and teachers resigned. Lawyers gave up their legal practices. Full stop. Council's elections were boycotted. In most provinces. Except Madras. EXCEPT, Madras, where the Justice Party thought of gaining power by participating in the elections. Next point. On the economic front, comma, foreign goods were boycotted. Foreign goods were boycotted, comma, liquor shops picketed. Liquor, liquor, shops picketed, comma, foreign cloth bonfired. Foreign cloth bonfired, comma, import of foreign cloth. Import of foreign cloth dropped, and production of Indian textile mills, production of Indian textile mills and handlooms went up. Went up, full stop. Next point. But this movement lost its momentum. Lost its momentum for a variety of reasons. For a variety of reasons. Full stop. Right over there only. A point. Khadi cloth was often more expensive than mass-produced mill cloth. Full stop. B point. Alternative institutions were slow to come up. C point. So students, teachers and lawyers began trickling back to work. In offices, courts and schools. So students, teachers and lawyers began trickling back to work in offices, courts and schools. Next heading, write it over there, rebellion in the countryside. Rebellion in the countryside. Now children, please do this much of the work in your copy and maintain your copy. Is that clear? Otherwise, when we are going to check the copy, you will have to do a lot of work altogether. So it is better that you complete your work on time. Okay? Okay. So here we are going to end. Tomorrow we are going to continue from here only, rebellion in the countryside.